Welcome to Embassy. Hi friend. Today I'm sharing how to embroider woven stitch. I will embroider a little flower with this stitch. Now embroider a leaf by fly stitch. Then the stem will be done with cotton stitch. So simple. And start to embroider woven stitch right now. Make 2 small stitches like this. Then bring the needle up here. Bring the needle through this small loop. Then continue to bring through the second small loop. Finish one round. Continue round 2. I made it 4 times. Depending on the initial small stitch, you will thread the corresponding number of loops to make the embroidery stitch tight. Then poke the needle here to finish the stitch. Keep repeating like that. Please subscribe to Embassy channel to watch more tutorial videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to get more views. Thank you very much. Continue with the third petals. For this flower, there are a total of 8 petals. I will also embroider some pretty little flower buds with woven stitch. is still woven over stitch, but the thread color is changed. The statement will still be embroidered with French notch stitch. From the beginning until now, I have used 3 threads to embroider. Embroider another round of statement. And now, I use one stray of thread to embroider with pistol stitch. Thank you for watching.